Alright, McDonald's, let's see how bad you screwed up today. We got, allegedly, we have a deluxe quarter pounder with cheese and the spicy chicken sandwich. Let's try it. Spicy chicken sandwich looks correct. It also looks tiny. Get the pickles off of there. And whatever this sauce is on there, the amount of it is absolutely pathetic. There is like almost none on there. Big surprise there. It's also kind of small for almost $3. Alright, let's give it a shot. Alright, tastes kind of like Chick-fil-A. It's not spicy at all. I mean, in my opinion, anyway. I eat a lot of spicy stuff. It's not bad. It's not great either. I have flavor. Yeah. I wouldn't say is terribly good. And it looks like actual chicken too. It doesn't look like one of those McNuggets that's made out of some chicken bullshit. Still, this is made out of actual chicken. The chicken itself doesn't really taste like anything, and neither does the bread. All I really taste is the breading. Well, I finally got a bite of the sauce. That's actually not bad. The sauce isn't bad. All right, well, on a scale of 1 to Whataburger, that was definitely a 1. It really, it wasn't anything special, and it was almost $3. I probably wouldn't buy it again.